The iShares International Select Dividend ETF (IDV) is an exchange-traded fund that provides investors with exposure to a diversified portfolio of high-dividend-yielding international stocks. The fund is managed by BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers, and is designed to track the performance of the Dow Jones EPAC Select Dividend Index. The fund's portfolio is composed of companies that have a history of paying dividends and have a high dividend yield compared to their peers. The index is designed to include companies that have a consistent record of paying dividends, have a relatively high dividend yield, and have a market capitalization of at least $1 billion. The index is weighted by dividend yield, with the highest yielding stocks receiving the largest weightings. IDV is one of the most popular international dividend ETFs available, and it has attracted significant assets under management since its launch in 2007. The fund has a relatively low expense ratio of 0.40%, and it is widely available on major stock exchanges such as the NYSE and NASDAQ. The fund's portfolio is diversified across several sectors and countries, with the largest weightings in the financials, utilities, and consumer staples sectors. The top countries represented in the fund's portfolio include the United Kingdom, France, and Australia. One of the main benefits of investing in IDV is the potential for a steady stream of income. The fund's high dividend-yielding stocks provide investors with a reliable source of income, which can be especially appealing for investors looking for a way to generate regular income from their portfolios. Additionally, IDV's diversification across sectors and countries can help to reduce risk, as the fund's returns are not as heavily dependent on the performance of any one sector or country. However, IDV is not without its risks. As with any international investment, there is the risk of currency fluctuations, which can impact the value of the fund's investments in foreign currencies. Additionally, the fund's focus on high dividend-yielding stocks means that it may not perform as well as the overall market during periods of economic growth, as these stocks tend to underperform in such environments. In conclusion, the iShares International Select Dividend ETF (IDV) provides investors with a way to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of high dividend-yielding international stocks. The fund's low expense ratio, diversification across sectors and countries, and potential for steady income make it an appealing option for investors looking for international dividend exposure. However, investors should be aware of the risks associated with international investing, including currency fluctuations and potential underperformance during periods of economic growth.